catch more flies with honey than vinegar? I guess we'll find out. Do you think we can trap more flies with strong smelled food? And for more information about this experiment, you can check this link. For the materials you will need an empty plastic bottle. Make sure you dry the inside. You need 4 plastic bottles. And you will need some scissors or cutter. You will also need a tape. Those are some simple materials. And now I'm going to show you how to make a homemade fly trap. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're going to cut the bottle into 2 parts, like this. And you don't need the lid for this experiment. And then you're going to flip it like this. You can seal it with the tape so that it won't fall down. There are also plenty of options for the ingredients. I use molasses, honey, apple vinegar, and sweet soy sauce. You could also use sugar water and center it. You can fill each trap bottle with bait to attract different flies. And then you can place the bait anywhere you think there are a lot of flies and a place in which you will think that it would attract the flies the best. And then you can observe what happens to the trap every day from 6 to 10 days. According to my observations, on day 4, there is a fly trapped on the molasses bottle. And then on day 6, there is also a fly trapped in the honey trap. And then you know what? In the last day, there is another fly trapped on the molasses bottle. In conclusion, the molasses work the best because it has 2 flies. Like I said before, in conclusion, the molasses works the best for a fly trap bait. Flies like to eat something liquid and sweet rather than something solid and sour. Flies particularly live on the liquid diet. Flies can smell with their feet. If you want to trap more flies, you might need scented foods to attract more flies. I also have some tips. If you think the traps are quite hard to trap flies, I suggest you make a simpler fly trap like this. You only use an empty plastic bottle